Want to know more about holistic nutrition but not sure where to start? Are you curious about the different benefits a healthy and balanced diet and lifestyle can bring you? Welcome to the Canadian School of Natural Nutrition's Healthy Eating and Lifestyle Certificate Workshop, where you will learn and get a taste of popular holistic nutrition topics from digestion and immunity to stress and mindset, from the comfort of your own home. My name is Nair, and today I will be sharing with you what this incredible 10-week workshop series is all about. These workshops, based off of scientific evidence and research, will help you gain some insight into the exciting world of holistic nutrition. Each week we will explore a new topic ranging from digestive health, vitamins and minerals to the basics of a healthy whole foods kitchen, help you shop, organize, and make the most of your meals and meal preparations throughout the week. Food that tastes good can truly be good for you. These workshops are open to everyone of all experience levels and require no prior knowledge of holistic nutrition. It's a great jumping off point if you're curious about enrolling in the full-time Natural Nutrition Diploma program, or if you just wanted to brush up on your general knowledge. You'll get a taste of what it would be like to be a full-time student at CSNN. These workshops will explore the different pathways of the human body to see how we are intrinsically and beautifully interconnected, from our brain to our digestive systems. Let's talk healthy digestion and gut health. This is what we start off with because it's a basis to good health. It's not only about what we eat, but what we absorb. We will be looking at how our digestive capability sets the tone for health of all our body systems. This is also known as the cascade effect to health. Topics range from the function of our digestive organs, digestive enzymes, and gastric acid, and understanding how to optimize and modulate our digestive pathways through allopathic and holistic means. Now that we understand the importance of gut health and digestion, let's talk about our immune system and whole foods. Eating good quality foods is vital to our immune system because of all the good quality vitamins and minerals they contain. Fresh fruits and vegetables contain many beneficial nutrients such as vitamin C, which is an important antioxidant to protect our overall health. Now more than ever, we need to be optimizing our immune functions. In this workshop, we will explore all of the different vitamins and minerals to understand how they help optimize our immune function and overall state of health. Eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables is not just beautiful, but beneficial to our bodies too. Finally, let's talk about stress. From our jobs to our families to our day-to-day tasks, stress is truly around every corner. We cover this topic in the Healthy Eating and Lifestyle Certificate because it is so important, and at the end of the day, we're all a little bit stressed out. We will learn the importance of regulating the stress response to benefit the digestive system and how to turn our minds onto the rest and digest pathway after a long and stressful day. You will learn about the beneficial foods that can help calm the mind and the nervous system, and about stress reduction techniques you can do in your own home. Our mindset is so important to the state of our overall health, and holistic nutrition is designed not only to focus on the foods you are eating, but about optimizing our mind, body, and spirit in connection together. This fun series of workshops is only 21 hours long, where you will discover a new way to look at food and nutrition. After completing all workshops, students will receive a certificate of attendance. For those looking to receive the Certificate of Achievement and Continued Education units, students will need to complete all 10 workshops as well as one test. Our knowledgeable and helpful instructors will make sure you leave with a fresh new perspective on health, nutrition, and well-being. Discover what learning about holistic nutrition can do for you and your whole family at CSNN.